Hi there. In this video, we're going to check out the 5 best models for you. Now, we made this list based on our personal opinion after doing hours of research and ranked them based on their quality, features, and all other important facts. So if you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Now, let's start the video.
If you are looking for the best soldering iron, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. X-Tronic Model 3020 XTS Soldering Iron. The X-Tronic 3020 XTS surprised us with its reliability. Some of its features are usually only found in models that cost twice as much. Its handle is comfortable to hold and not hot to the touch, and the iron comes with a heavy, sturdy stand and useful accessories. It is also one of the few irons we tested with a digital display, a feature that makes tracking and changing the temperature especially easy. While putting together our electronics project kit, we occasionally had to wait for the X-Tronic soldering station to rebound to its set temperature. Number 2. Vastar 110V Soldering Iron Kit. If you want to spend less, we recommend the Vastar Full Set 60W 110V Soldering Iron Kit. This adjustable model is the cheapest iron we tested, but it performs well and comes with more accessories than any other, including solder and multiple tip sizes. But the included stand isn't sturdy, we didn't feel safe setting a hot iron on it, and this model's grip got the warmest among the irons we tested. The temperatures marked on the Vastar's adjustment wheel proved to be totally inaccurate as well. The Vastar produced the highest maximum temperature of all the irons we tried. Number 3. Hakko FX888D23BY Soldering Station. The Hakko FX888D may be worth the upgrade if you plan to solder frequently. It heats up slightly faster than the X-Tronic, so you can solder with fewer pauses. It comes with a digital display plus a thin pen that's easy to hold and able to stay cool to the touch. The FX888D feels especially sturdy, with a heavy stand and station that feel like they will last longer than the competition. Plus, the fact that the stand and station are two separate pieces lets you be more flexible with how you set up your work zone. Number 4. Weller WLC 100 Soldering Station. Weller offers a value for money product with its soldering station. You get all the required items without paying extra. Weller WLC 100 is in the 3rd position due to its affordable price tag. And yet it offers a high-performance solder which goes up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite its compact size, you get an iron holder, temperature control, and a cleaning sponge. It is a highly durable soldering station as it also offers a 7-year warranty. Number 5. YIHUA 862BD Plus Soldering Station. YIHUA offers a highly advanced soldering station with a large number of accessories. It even includes a 500W hot air gun for heating up circuits. You get a total of 3 LED displays in this soldering station for temperature control. This soldering station offers 5 soldering tips for working on any circuit. And you can also set a sleep timer for the iron. The wire of the soldering iron is made out of silicone, which is quite flexible for easily soldering circuits. And you can clean it every time you put it on the stand.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future.